Have you ever have you ever sneezed while pooping? That's a thing that, well, up until 5 minutes ago, my answer to that question would have been no. No, I have not. I have not sneezed while pooping. But about 5 minutes ago, my answer changed to a definitive yes, I have. And what an experience it was. It's hard to put words on it, really. So I was wondering if there's any people out there that's in the same boat, that we share that experience of sneezing while pooping. It's everything in life is an experience, but this was of the extraordinary kind. Extraordinary. It's an experience I'll take with me to the grave, for sure. Yeah, I was just sitting there, just doing my thing, just, and then, right, and just, it was like, if I would have been facing with my behind any other direction, to the side or up, projectile, it like at a speed that it could do some damage. My toilet survived, but yeah, it's an experience, man. It's definitely like it's top three. It's top three experiences. You're just going at it and achoo, and it just like so I was just wondering if any of you ever had such a life-changing experience, pooping and then sneezing. Thanks, guys. This was just a little bonus video. I'm still gonna. This doesn't count as one a day. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Do let me know if did that ever happen to you. What is my life to do?